Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're at Duxford Air Museum and we'll be going on Concorde. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into it. This Concorde never actually flew commercially and was used as a training aircraft. It's a very different interior to what a normal Concorde would look like. Sadly, you can't get into the cockpit, but I could get some pictures through the glass door. Going on that Concorde today was a very different experience for me, as I usually go on the one at Manchester, which is fully kitted out with all the seats and luxury, whereas this one definitely isn't. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!